Hi everyone, Holly here. I just wanted to jump on and make a quick video and check in with everybody and let you know that I am standing in solidarity with all of the families and students who are about to be affected by these unprecedented changes in school closings, etc. Um, really just wanting to know what kind of support people would like most. I'm considering offering some daily math classes this week on a donation basis. I want this to be affordable and accessible to everyone. Um, so a kind of a virtual math classes for different grade levels. I'm happy to do that. Also happy to record some videos for parents with resources for how to maximize um, off book learning and really just kind of grow in your capacity to trust that kids are learning even if you can't measure it with a test or a project, um, and support parents as they begin to get creative about how they can incorporate life experiences into their learning journey, because some of the most important things that kids have to learn don't come out of a book. They come from interacting with people and managing materials and setting goals and meeting deadlines and that kind of thing, following interests. So please do reach out. Let me know what kind of support would be most helpful. I stand ready to provide whatever support I can as a teacher, as a longtime homeschooler, and as a person who understands that learning really is the most natural thing that any of us will ever do. It is our birthright and it is accessible always. So please do reach out and take care. Keep safe, keep well. I'll talk with you soon.